Struggling with confidence, any tips? Absolutely. Buckle up. Save this video, try this exercise, and let me know if it works for you. I'm LaToya Cooper, your brand strategist, elevating women entrepreneurs into iconic powerhouses that drive big profits. As a brand strategist, I have worked with very successful individuals over my career. And let me be very clear. It does not matter how much money a person has. It does not matter how successful they're perceived to be or how confident they're perceived to be. Everybody has some level of discomfort or lack of confidence whenever they are facing something that they're unfamiliar with. It's not uncommon. I've had many moments where I've had to walk some CEOs through some things. I've had many moments where I've had to walk people who are multimillionaires and have successful businesses through different things. This conversation may pop up later on in life. Doesn't matter. The only difference is between the average person and individuals who are perceived to be very successful or maybe in the limelight or make a lot of money is that they're willing to push through the confidence struggle with their knees shaking. The knees are shaking. The top is confident, but the knees is shaking. Trust me, okay? I know. I can see under the table. The knees is shaking. Highly successful individuals will also pour back into themselves. They will speak positively to themselves, and they know that they have the ability to push through and to continue forward and to get the job done, whatever it is the challenge may be. They also have cheerleaders in their corner, people like me, who they can talk to, turn to whenever they're not quite sure about how they need to proceed. They have people in their corner that's going to help them find their blind spots and help them walk through the challenge. Now, buckle up for the confidence tip that's going to change your life. Let's say you have a very important meeting tomorrow morning and you're feeling a little nervous about it and you know your confidence is not exactly where it needs to be. Once you've gotten dressed and you're in your car headed to that meeting, or you're on the subway train, or you're in the back of an Uber getting ready to head to that meeting, this is what I want you to do. I want you to start speaking to yourself as though you are the most amazing person anyone has ever experienced or met ever in this world. Let me give you an example. When I walk into this room, everyone's going to stop and look at me and think I am the most beautiful person they've ever seen. When I walk into this room, everyone's going to think that I smell great. When I walk into this room, everyone's going to want to talk to me and I'm going to have the most profound conversation. When I walk into this room, everyone's going to want to work with me. When I walk into this room, I'm going to be standing tall. Everyone's going to think that I am dressed very well. When I walk into this room, I'm going to speak with so much confidence that people can't wait to stop and move away from what they're doing just to hear what I have to say. And I want you to continue to speak like that to yourself from the time you leave your home to the time you arrive. So if it takes 30 minutes for you to get to your destination, I want you to speak like that for 30 minutes straight. If it takes you an hour and a half to get to your destination, I want you to speak those words and in that way for an hour and a half. Let me tell you, the moment you get out that car, the moment you step in that space, you will have so much confidence. You're going to be built up so tall. When I tell you everything that you spoke over yourself in that vehicle, you're going to see it come to life. You're going to be so electric. You're going to be so magnetic in that room. People are going to just draw to you effortlessly. Why? Because you are embodying all the wonderful, confident words that you just poured into yourself, and it's oozing off of you. Try it and come back and let me know how it works. It's going to change your life. I use this every time I have to walk into a room, into a boardroom, into a networking event, into a conference, and hands down, it works every time. I'll walk out with what I came in there to get. I'm LaToya Cooper, your brand strategist, helping women entrepreneurs with personality-driven brands become iconic powerhouses that drive big profits. If you are a successful woman entrepreneur who is ready to be more than an entrepreneur, you are ready to be an icon, industry standard, make sure you are on my email list.